Before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video, especially if you've been here since I shaved all of my hair off and you see where I'm at right now. This video is being sponsored by TOYOTRESS. You guys know I love them. I work with them all the time. So if you're interested in these jungle box braids, then make sure you check the links in the description box below for all of the information that you need for these box braids. I'm really in love with them, and this is what I do during skin cell turnover week. Not exactly jungle box braids, but whenever my scalp is feeling funny, I normally do my crochets on my dusty braids on week number 2. So that's why these braids look so dusty. Like I said, if you want more information, check the links in the description box below. I'm not going to talk you through this video because everything's pretty self-explanatory. Remember, things could be way more defined if you did these on fresh braids, but these are week 2 braids, so it gets my protective style to stretch a little longer. And normally when I do it like this, I only leave my braids in or my crochets in for about a week, maybe 2. So keep watching and let me know what you think about this video or these jungle box braids in the comments below. Talk to you soon.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay.